Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the Spotify Jam app. So let's get started. So here you have to follow this easy step. So first of all, you have to tap on the multiple device playing option. Then you have to click on the third or tap on this I button, your favorite. Then tap on your Jam here. Then tap invite, and from there you will share your QR code or tap on the share link, and you can share with the other people. They will connect and you can listen the same song into the same time. Okay, so by this way you can do it, and it's a easy process too. If you have any question, you can just ask me in my you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.